GLB is a Hungarian manufacturing company with more than 30 years of experience in metalworking and industrial assembly. As a result of persistent and diligent work over the years, we have grown from a small family business into one of Hungary's most versatile parts manufacturers. Since the founding of the company, we have been manufacturing custom metal parts for major Hungarian oil and rubber manufacturing industrial players, as well as performing servicing tasks for them. Manufacturing products for the broader EU market forms a significant part of our activities.
This company was founded by my father in 1996. Expertise has been in our blood ever since. My two brothers and I are part of the team, and here everyone is driven by the same belief. Metal is not just what we do, it's who we are.
Today, we operate from brand new 6,000 square meters production halls, where high-performance machinery and a production management system orchestrate every step, enabling our 110 dedicated experts to deliver consistent quality on time, every time. For decades, we have been manufacturing parts, flanges, fittings, and fasteners needed for maintenance in the oil industry and for technological investments. Our sheet metal processing division works with and produces sheet metal products in custom, low, and medium volumes. We use state-of-the-art CNC technology, which helps us offer high-quality yet cost-effective solutions for our partners. Our highly skilled engineers ensure smooth and errorless workflows. Our metalworking division is responsible for producing and refurbishing small, medium, and large steel structures and agricultural machines. In order to ensure the precise preparation and execution of metalwork, we have set up designer groups consisting of mechanical engineers. Our certifications and qualified welders ensure that the company complies with the highest technical requirements and specifications. The aim of our sandblasting and painting division is to provide corrosion control for our products, as well as prolonging their durability. The division is responsible for cleaning metal surfaces and ensuring suitable surface roughness. Our experts provide the surface treatment of the parts we manufacture, which includes cleaning with sandblasting and the application of industrial coatings. The main activity of our commercial division is aimed at meeting the material needs of oil industry, maintenance, and investment companies that perform industrial pipe installation works. We offer a diverse portfolio of brands and commercial products. The main products of our division are pipe products, fittings, and cold and hot-rolled materials. With 30 years of professional experience, the results we have obtained thus far, and the motivated and innovative approach to our business all helped GLB Ltd to become one of the leading parts manufacturers in the region. Over the past years, we've supported some of the most demanding names in the industry, including MOL, Continental, Pick, and Dunlop, delivering precision, reliability, and enduring results.
GLB is like a second family, a legacy, the continuity itself. It's a tradition representing the past, the present, and the future.